extremely excited today that today we had our first ReLAB-HS event in Pakistan, and we started with KP, and we had some tremendous participation from stakeholders. We had a great, stakeholders were very excited about the project, about what we are planning to do, and they were very interactive with us as well. We had participation from the health department, we had a participation from NGOs, from DPOs, and political leadership of KP as well. So this was extremely important and a very important day for ReLAB-HS. So I'm really thrilled about that. And I think that it was so wonderful to see how the team has also come together, and how the team has been able to put this all together in a very short period of time, and bringing together not just our ReLAB-HS team together from different parts of the world, but also able to bring the right stakeholders for this event, for today's launch.
मुझे खुशी है इस इवेंट पे आके। मैं काम बेशक अमेरिका में करती हूँ, लेकिन मैं हूँ पाकिस्तान में और पाकिस्तानी हूँ, तो मुझे खुशी होती है ऐसी प्रोग्रेस देख के कि हमारे मुल्क में लोग ऑलरेडी इस पे काम कर रहे हैं। और हमने हमारी यहाँ पे जो टीम है HI के थ्रू जो काम कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने जितना इफ़ेक्टिवली सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स को बुलाया, उनको इन्वाइट किया और वो लोग आए। आई थिंक इससे बड़ी सक्सेस कोई इवेंट की नहीं होती कि जिन को बुलाया वो सब आए और उन्होंने इंटरेस्ट शो किया, पार्टिसिपेट किया। और हम चाहते हैं कि आगे भी इंशाल्लाह हम उनके साथ और कोलैबोरेशंस करें, विजिट्स करें, उनके साथ डिस्कशंस करें, और जो करें वो मिलके उनके साथ करें।
Today we have our provincial launch, the first provincial launch in KP province in Peshawar, and we have actually invited lots of our stakeholders, partners, actors, including public sector and private sector, in which government health department has also represented us, and they actually ensure all the support and all of their coordination with us to start up with lots of activities of this project, which we are taking to down into the district level. And I'm really thankful to all of my stakeholders, partners, those actually have enabled us to make this successful event, in which we are talking about the health department, the secretary health office. The additional secretary was our chief guest over here. Then we are very much thankful to lots of key actors, those are working on rehab, in which we are talking about PPAS, paraplegic, and KMU as a university, those are providing a lot of support. A lot of persons with disability organizations were there. Mehboob Physiotherapy Center, they also have represented this. And along with that, there are lots of other stakeholders, people from different walk of life. And especially I'll also mention one of the key champion who is working in the field of rehab, or one of the MPA, Rabia Basi, she was also here, and we actually have a huge presentation and collaboration from from the elected representatives, from public sector, from private sector, from NGOs. We have like a different representative of NGOs over here. So altogether, this actually has made this event successful. Now this is the start from where we are more visible, we are more showing our presence in this province, and we are now going to start our interventions implementation directly in the field. And we have the target districts. We have a very close coordination with the DHO office there in Sawak, and the district health officer was himself today was here, and he shared all the promising support and attitude towards to take the activities long way into the field. And we'll be inshallah implementing this project with lots of intervention with success, and we are having more collaborations, more events like this, creating the awareness and information on rehabilitation. And we are more engaging with the policy makers and decision makers to make sure that rehabilitation becomes the integral part of health system, because the project is aiming for the integration of rehabilitation into health systems. So we are very much happy. I'm really thankful that the team is over here, and all the consortium partners from the different part of the world. So we have 6 consortium partners were here, and they all together actually with us to implement this project. And this is something in which we are taking their technical support, we are taking their overall guidance and the experience they have in other countries, and we have also sharing these learnings among each other partners to learn more, to emphasize more, and to streamline our activities, and to go forward and taking into account that what actually the needs are at the moment of the rehabilitation specifically in this KP province.